from Grandad and Carol, I think. Yep.
That has to be the marble. Oh.
What is it?
Disgusting
Science. Oh.
You got another bug?
Wow. What's it say on it, buddy?
Pop. Oatol.
Pop bottle. Give us a look.
Pop bottle. Oh, look on the back.
What can you do with it?
I think you make it pop.
Sweet, we have to try that later. I think you put stuff in it, the chemicals, and it blows up. I'm going to say thank you to Grandad and Grandma.
Thank you.